the rabbit and the tortoise. Once upon a time, there was a rabbit. Aha, I feel sleepy, I feel sleepy. Then he hopped down the hill and met some friends, the pig, the coach, and the cow. Hi oink, hi oink, hi bleat, bleat, hi moo, moo. Good to see you. On board, let's play together. Play together? They met the tortoise. Hi tortoise, I'm happy to see you. Hi rabbit, I'm happy to see you too. Can you run? Okay, let's have a zoom. Fine. The next day at noon, all the animals get to see the fun. How are you doing? Fine. You know what? Tortoise is almost 10 years old. Poor tortoise. Why don't we start over here? Let's me draw a line. Okay. The race was about to start. At last, the cow called out, "Ready, steady, go! I must run fast. I can't win. Tortoise is slow. I must run fast. I must go fast. I can't win. I'm not slow." Tortoise just crossed the bridge. Where is the rabbit? I can't see him. I must hurry. I must hurry. But I am tired. Rabbit was tired too. Rabbit sat down under the mushroom tree. At last, Tortoise won the race. I am the winner. I came in the first. Isn't it, Tortoise? You are the winner. Congratulations. Where is the rabbit? What is he doing? I'm lost. Tortoise won the race.